Alright guys, so my recording limit is 3 minutes and 31 seconds, so please help me with that. Help me. Whatever. Okay. Should be departing in any minute. I like how the cars are like shaped like that. I like how the cars are shaped like freaking cylinders, like whatever. I like the cylindrical shape of it. I could see the engine too. Can I? I don't know, but my lens is kind of dirty, so stuff may come out blurry and whatever. And the horn sounded like the one in Roblox or whatever. So, alright, toot toot. Alright, guys. I can hear the Graham White E-bell too. It sounds like ding, ding, ding. I've heard that horn many times. I like how it sounds on freight trains and stuff. Oh my gosh! That is very loud. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This was brought to you by whatever, Langton or Amtrak, whatever. And this video isn't sponsored though, but yeah, goodbye.